National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Geary County, southeastern Riley County in northeastern Kansas, northwestern Wabaunsee County, until 6 p.m. At 5:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles north of Dwight, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and golf ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Alma and McFarland. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 313 and 332. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.